Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a very quick reset because we are hitting the middle of the week and I can't always be cleaning. As you guys know, I have a zone per day that I take care of, and now I'm trying to add a bit of a reset midweek just so that I can catch up. I do homeschool and I work from home, so there's always a lot going on. My husband's also working from home, so the house literally is always a mess. However, it makes things more manageable when you're resetting. And a lot of people often ask me, what is a reset? It's literally just picking up, really. But the term reset has been utilized probably for the last 2 years on social media, where people tell you that you need to reset your space in order to feel better. You're not necessarily cleaning, you're not decluttering, you're simply putting things back where they belong. Now, throughout the week, there's a lot of things I took care of. I was doing the laundry, I was deep cleaning certain areas, I am decluttering because I'm trying to prep for spring cleaning, and some of those messes end up in piles. And if you guys don't already know, I have ADHD, so of course I'm gonna have, unfortunately, a lot of piles around the house, which I have gotten better about. But today, it's just a day that we're resetting. I highly suggest that you set up one day throughout the week, whether it be a Tuesday, a Wednesday, or a Thursday, where you can actually just go around the house for about 30 minutes, putting things back where they belong. Do not clean, do not declutter, just have things put back to where they belong. And I promise you, it's going to feel so clean, even though you're not cleaning. Also, get the family involved. I have 2 little boys, and even though they're small, they have to put back a lot of the things that they utilize where it belongs at the end of each day. Sometimes, however, it catches up to us, or we have sports, we have outside activities, we go on field trips, and we don't always get to those. So this particular day is when everybody just decides we're going to put things back where they belong. And this way we are able to have a cleaner home for a much longer time. Now, during declutterings, I do my best not to keep any of the items that need to be donated inside the house. A lot of these things end up in the garage, in the pile for donate. There's this amazing company that I use that I'll list down below for you guys. I'm pretty sure they do pickups in every state, and it goes directly to helping veterans. So I absolutely love using them all of the time. They're super friendly. They're able to just come and pick up a lot of things, including furniture. So I definitely recommend, especially if you're not able to drop off things at a donation spot, or there's not many places where you can drop off donations. Now, everything you see here literally took me 30 minutes. Again, I am not cleaning. I am not doing any of those things. I am, however, throwing my 1 load of laundry into the load because this is one thing I am religiously doing and sticking to. That is throwing 1 load of laundry from start to finish every single day, putting it away and making sure that gets done, because I cannot do laundry in one day. It is way too much. I'm then going around and making sure that everything gets picked up. So the kids do have responsibilities today at the end of the day. So I am simply just shifting some of those things that they'll be responsible for because I want to have an area that's neat and clean. Today is also my watering day for a lot of my plants, and sometimes there is a lot of halfway used bottles that the boys leave around, so I tend to use those so that water doesn't go to waste. And then I go to our homeschool / dining room area. This has been such a good change for us. We used to have a loft on the 2nd floor, or I guess another little living room that we used, but that area has since transitioned more into a hobby area for everybody to kind of get together and do something nice. This area I absolutely love because we are currently learning about gardening and landscaping and just everything plants. So this is perfect for everything that we're doing, and the area just feels a little bit more welcoming. Now, I have this section in between the pantry where I've just decided to have all of my appliances. It's easier. It's away from the kitchen counter so that I'm not having to have a clutter counter, because this is what happens. It becomes a catch-all. Now, everything has a home, except today we had outside sports. We had grocery deliver. We have, unfortunately, can't really put much into our fridge because we actually just bought a new fridge and we don't want to, we don't have space. And I'm actually really excited to show you guys. I've been wanting this fridge for such a long time, and this is the first time we've bought a fridge since we've been married for almost 16 years. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to like show it to you guys. Now with the counters, as you guys know, I like to clean from left to right or right to left, just to basically be able to stay on focus and just keep on top of everything that I'm doing without having to kind of sidetrack, because that can happen. Now I am just going around the kitchen now. This counter gets really messy. I'm not gonna like fully clean it because kitchen day is tomorrow. I just want to be able to tackle some of the dishes and kind of just get everything out of the way. And that really is it, guys. This was my reset. It was 30 minutes. I highly recommend it. I think this is one of the best things that you can do with your family throughout the week, because it just helps you catch up instead of having a complete chaos and mess for the end of the week or the weekend. And this way you are able to spend more time with your family doing fun things and not having to do a full clean out during the weekend. Let me know in the comments below if you found this helpful, and until next time, bye.